Hi, my name is Noel Pollack. Ako po ay bahagi ng ensemble ng ENDO. At ngayong araw na to, habang inaalam natin yung sitwasyon ng mga taong nabubuhay sa gig economy, may namita kong bagong friend. Hi, friend. Say hi.
Hi, hello guys. I'm Christine Viluan and I'm a content creator.
Ayun, Christine, nabanggit mo content creator ka. What kind of content yung focus mo?
Actually, I'm more focused on food and lifestyle since dun yung nakasanayan ko talagang i-content and syempre as a foodie.
Ayan, gusto ko yung food na yan. Pero, bukod dito, ano yung pangarap mong trabaho? Or kahit na description ng isang sa tingin mong maaari mong maging dream job?
Actually, even before pa, yung dream job ko talaga is bookkeeper in a bank. Kasi back when I was an intern, yun talaga yung ginagawa ko. And alam ko yung mga basics like focusing on verifying documents, cash, or even checks.
Wow, napaka-technical naman pala ng iyong dream job. Okay, pero bakit kaya hindi mo yun ginagawa ngayon? Meron bang any struggles or challenges to achieving that dream?
Actually, wala naman po. Since talagang gusto ko lang siyang gawin. But, syempre, may mga inuuna po akong plans ngayon. Like, for example po, nagko-content ako para makaipon since I'm going to have an exam by this year, October. So, unahin ko po muna yung board exam ko.
Ay, wow. Good luck dyan sa iyong board exam. Excited kami for you. Nagkaroon ka ba ng any work before this? Any gigs bago ka naging food and lifestyle content creator?
Before, yes, back when pandemic days, I was an admin in other agencies or communities and I handle tasks like mga campaigns po and syempre mga aspiring influencers or content creators.
Okay. So, bakit hindi na yun yung ginagawa mo ngayon?
Syempre po before parang for me, ginawa ko siyang part-time since I'm still studying and syempre kulang and since need ko talaga na mag-aral, ang hirap po kasi ng course ko by that time kaya hindi na ako nakafocus and I had to choose my study.
I just wanted to ask, para kanino ka bumabangon?
Syempre po, for me and for my family and the people around me, mga friends ko. And also, ang dami ko rin pong gustong i-achieve. And since very career woman talaga, may mga goals po ako, like may mga plans din in life. Kaya talagang patuloy po na bumabangon para, ayun nga, para sa sarili ko and para sa family ko.
Ayan. So, there we go. Thank you so much, Christine. So, ngayon, no, nakita natin, sobrang dedicated and sobrang driven, independent woman itong si Christine. So, let's continue to support content creators like her because of them, alam natin kung saan tayo next nakakain.
Yes, guys, don't forget to support me and don't forget to follow my social media platforms, Christine Viluan on Facebook and on Instagram, Viluan Tini, and on TikTok, Tini Viluan. Thank you po.
Ayan, may bago tayong ifa-follow, right? Okay, so just a reminder to everyone, we'd love to have you. Manood po tayo ng Endo. It runs from April 10 to May 10 at the PETA Theater Center. Please don't forget to get your tickets at tickettome.net. Maraming salamat!